Any chance you're a business owner, entrepreneur, founder?
Yeah.
Would you have a second just to answer a few quick questions? I'm interested in people's startup journey.
I usually would watch your shows, but I'm a trainer.
Okay.
And I'm 1 minute behind.
Okay.
So
I don't want to keep you. Thank you,
I
man.
appreciate it. Good stuff. That.
Business owner, entrepreneur.
Yeah, the business on
What's the name of your business?
Viet. It's a family-run restaurant.
How long have you been running that?
20 years.
And is there a secret sauce to running a food business?
For flow, a lot of regular customers. Media marketing is important. Good reviews, respond to reviews. Be genuine with your food. You see all this business with Instagram videos. It's booming. All of a sudden, it just dies down because it's just about consistency.
Service must be a massive thing in your industry.
Of course. People are keyboard warriors these days. Or rather, go away unhappy and saying to you, today's your food is salty or too sweet. In that case, you can fix and resolve the problem straight away. But it's hard now. People tend to walk away unhappy rather than deal with the problem straight away.
Sure. And anyone thinking about starting up a business, maybe in the food industry, what advice would you give them?
Really working out your food costs. Mindful of the trap of overstaffing. Managing your overheads is really important. The profit margins from food is very slim.
I'm a brand guy. I've been working brand for many years. What does brand mean to you?
Brand at our place is a family-run business. People see it as a family-run business. So yes, branding is important.